I have a new toy. It's called Evo Shift. I just got it. I was able to get it pretty inexpensively. Hopefully trying to smooth out my movements. This has been a very busy morning. I finally got these two moved. See, I'm panning. Yeah, I'm panning. So I set this little breeding pen up. Now, it says hit this twice and I get full pan mode. Okay. Alright, yeah. There goes that. It goes up. Hit once again, it goes into pan mode. I don't have any of the software yet. Bluetooth. But Miss Feline is in heat. And he's being a butthead. He squeezed by me in the gate. His horn got me. So I have a nice bruise on that. I fell over that fence. Landing on the ground. And thought, you better get up. There's spiders down here. So right now they're in here so that the Feline can at least eat. Get some green stuff. Now, am I panning too quick? I don't know. So, let's see. It does take you a little to get used to. I'm hoping this will reduce my shakiness. Because I don't walk too smooth. So I'm going to check that. This is my garden. I've already gotten 2 squash. Who is that? Well, hello, little dude. Hi, Bob. I just named him Bob. I have Dude, Bob, Noodle, and Little Bit. Alright. Now I gotta go clean up peanuts. I hate things that are packed in peanuts. My chickens like to eat them, but let's see how this goes. It's about time to let the puppies out. Said I didn't have chickens in here, but I have the mamas in there with their babies. I don't think they'll bother them. As long as the babies are okay in there, they're fine. What is this? Oop. Hey, S'mores. Hi, S'mores. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Everybody else is calm now that I got the 2 breeding. Got the one out. What's up? You got babies up there? The babies? Yep. Well, bless you too. Yes. That little fella he's a Nubian Angora. And he is for sale. Yeah, add some more. Dude, that was rude. There's Noodle. Yep. Alright, well, I think this is going to make my YouTube videos a little bit better. Yes, it's called an Evo Shift stabilizer gimbal. It has a thing on the bottom so that I can be trying the Evo gimbal stabilizer that I got on a tripod. Let's see. Whoops. I think it might be a little bit heavy for my tripod. Let me tighten that up. There we go. Okay. We'll see. There it goes. So, made some changes today. Oh. I'm actually moving slow today. These guys seem happy. I haven't figured out how to get to do the follow mode. This is the pan mode. Alright? So, there's PT and Miss Feline. She's got to eat all day today in there. Yes, and they still got a lot left to do. And I still have a lot left to learn on this. So, I gotta feed them. It's feeding time. Okay, so they got their hay and check their water. I forgot. On goes Baba. So, alright. Mix this up. I'm gonna pan. Whoops. Unfortunately, my tripod is set extremely long, so area upon goes Baba. But give me a second. Okay, so this is the Evo that I got. Right now it's thinking, hey, where'd the camera go? So I'm going to show you. This was my tripod, and it fits in here. I've got another short one as well. But, turn this off. There we go. Alright. Camera goes right in there, and it just, the Evo Shift. And I got it really cheap off of eBay, and it worked right out of the box. So I'm extremely pleased with it, and hopefully y'all will be too. You won't have me well, my gosh, awful videos shaking y'all up like an earthquake. Anyway, so I will post this later. I love y'all. Blessed be.